everyone, One Lisa Show. My name is Lisa. Welcome. And I wanted to quickly share with you my Frugal Frocks 2021 challenge entry. It is on Instagram, so check me out on Instagram if you haven't already. And I will also share the picture here. I wore mine today. I got home from work, took my shower, put some comfies on. I have just a regular t-shirt, no me made today. And this is my entry. This is my dress. If you're not aware of the Frugal Frocks 2021 challenge, there's a lot of bloggers and vloggers talking about it. It was organized by Sam at Frugalissima and Ruanne at the Yorkshire Sew Girl. And basically, it was as simple as throughout the month of March, there were featured vloggers that would talk about it every day. You take a piece of fabric from your stash or a piece of fabric you have, so it could have been a sheet, but the goal was not to buy anything, and then find a free pattern, like a pattern you got from a magazine or a publication or online for free, or you could have self-drafted your own pattern. So I'm nowhere near at the point where I could self-draft my own pattern. So I went to Mood Fabrics website, and their Mood Society has free patterns, lots and lots of free patterns, and this was the pine dress. So I'm going to insert a little video of me modeling my pine dress. I did the size 16-18, big range of sizes. I'll put a link below to this pattern. Again, it is free, easy to download, and you print it out and tape it and cut it, and voila. And the fabric I had from my stash from the mid-90s, I believe it's a type of suiting fabric. It is thin, crinkly, and woven, and it frays, crazy frays. And I don't have a serger, so I used pinking shears for a lot of my seams. A couple of changes I did really fast. I have about 3-inch hem on the bottom. I also tried to reduce the puffiness of my sleeves, but what I loved about it was it just reminded me of 1980s, like those decadent, luxurious soap operas and primetime shows like Knots Landing in Dallas or General Hospital. You know, I've seen Susan Lucci totally would have worn something like this back then. And I fell in love with the pattern. As I did it, I did a 16-18 I cut out, but I graded to the 20-22 at my waist. And then when I put it together and put it on, it was way too frumpy. So I had to go back in, and I went in and sewed another 1/4 inch along my sides all the way down. I did not line my dress, so I made facings for the neckline, and then I hemmed the sleeves, and the sleeves were about a 2-inch hem as well. I wanted them a little shorter. What else? And since I didn't line it, I took some advice from my mom, who said it would be easier after looking at the instructions to do they have you do the zip in the blog post later on, close towards the end after you attach your lining. But since I didn't line mine, I did my back pieces. I constructed my back pieces and then did the zip. So I had one full back piece. And my mother said that was a good idea to try, because since it's easier to install a zip if you have 2 flat pieces and you're not dealing with a fully constructed dress, and that's the last remaining seam. Since there's no lining where that would be helpful, I did it that way. It worked great. So I did my back, I did all my darts, and then constructed the back piece, did the zip, and then I constructed my front piece, and then I sewed my front and back together, and then I installed my sleeves, and then I did my hems. And then when I tried it on, I went back in and made it a little tighter. And I think it worked out good. I love it. Partway through, I was nervous it wasn't going to turn out, but I'm glad I did it. I was very hesitant to cut into this fabric because I've had it so long, but I've never done anything with it. So I wore it today. You're seeing the video, you saw the picture, and I'm very pleased with it. Check out this pattern. They have lots of other wonderful and unique dresses, and some of them are a little bit more interesting and a little bit more bold than what I'm used to. But I guess the whole point of them doing that is to show that anybody could do whatever they want. You're in control when you're making your own clothes. And that's what I learned with this, and saved some money, and I had some fun, and I'm glad it's over. And I'm really enjoying looking at everybody else's makes as well. So that's it. Thanks guys for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I talk about all different things, mostly sewing and crochet, knit, crafts, and baking, and then I ramble like I'm doing right now. So have a great day. Thanks for watching.